guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I decided to do a little bit of makeup and just update you guys on what's been going on with my life and the world, and just wanted to talk for a little bit. So today I just did a little summer makeup for you guys. It's just a little glowy, simple makeup that you can do when you're gonna go out in the summer, if you go out, or to stay at home because, you know, nowadays we're staying at home. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. Now let's get started. I moisturized my face with the henriksen Sea Rush Brightening Cream. It looks like this is the mini. I just finished the full size, so I ordered a little mini one. But I love this thing and it smells like oranges. So I'm going to start off with the Nars concealer. This is in the shade Light 2.0 Marron Glaze. The last couple of videos I did were nursing videos. I just don't know what to do. I like YouTube and I like making videos. I just like it and I like editing. Like, I really enjoy it. But I do like doing videos and I just don't know what to do. I'm going to use the Smashbox Camera Ready BB Cream. Looks like this. I've had this for a long time. This is in the shade Light Neutral. The only time I wear this is in the summer because it has SPF, and during the winter here, we don't really need SPF because the sun is hiding the whole time. Not even exaggerating. I had to put on primer. But it's okay. I got lotion on at least. But the primer I was going to use today was the Maybelline Baby Skin Pore Eraser Primer. Really like this primer. It makes your makeup stay and it makes your skin really smooth. So if you watch my other videos, and I just said I'm in nursing school, I'm almost done. I have one semester left. It's been quite a challenge, but also really rewarding. I really like it and I love being in the hospital and helping people. I like truly enjoy it. It's a really cool career to get into. There's a lot going on in the world right now. It's pretty, I don't know, I would say it's pretty crazy because I've had a lot of anxiety about it, but at the same time I guess everyone's experiencing the same thing, so either we're gonna learn from it or not, or, you know, stay in your own ways. But first we had the coronavirus, which is still out there, and then with school and stuff you had to do everything online, so that was different, and hopefully my last semester is not online, but we'll see. Now the protesting about the death of George Floyd, it's been so sad, but it's an eye-opener for a lot of people who are like blindsided to things like that. Like, they think things don't exist and that's in the old days, but that's very wrong. It happens as much now as it did before, you know, racism. I hope people are learning from the situation, changing, you know, voting when it's time to vote, you know, try to make a change, and you do your part. That's all you can do. It's gonna be interesting trying to fix up my lighting and all that because I don't remember how to use my camera settings or anything like that. But I'm going to contour with the L.A. Pro Conceal Concealer. This is in the shade, is it tan? Toast. This is in Toast. A little bit of cream contour. I look really dewy. Usually in the summer people like to look dewy, like they woke up like that. And then down here I'm just gonna go down like that. You know, when I contour sometimes I go a little bit too low and then doesn't look like a contour, it looks like I got a bigger cheek. So I tried to keep it as high as possible so it looks like a good contour. And also my eyebrows are extra hairy because I'm trying to let them grow in. Sometimes I cut it and I cut it too low and then it looks like I have no eyebrows. So I'm letting them grow, see if they could just fill in on their own. Usually don't contour with like a concealer all the time, but since I'm doing liquid stuff first and it's like a summer look, I want it to look dewy, so I'm doing a lot of liquid contouring and concealer and stuff like that first. So this is L.A. Pro Conceal in the shade Fawn. I'm going to add a little bit of this color right here. And you can hear the motorcycle passing by. Yes, because I live in a noisy neighborhood. Oh, it might be a four-wheeler because people pass through here in four-wheelers all the time. And like dirt bikes. There's like a little dirt patch place right in front of my house, but like behind a couple houses, and you could just hear people having a blast over there. I've gone over there myself a couple times to go mudding and a pickup truck, so it's pretty fun. So I'm gonna add a little bit of concealer to my eyes and then a little bit down the bridge of my nose. With this Fit Me powder in the shade 120, Classic Ivory, I'm just gonna pat that under my under eyes. So on the crease of my eye, I'm going to use the same shade that I used on my nose. I'm just going to put it like this. So we're going to get our sponge, and I'm just going to pat it on the top here so it could blend out a little bit more. Look a little better here. I'm going to do my eyebrows and I'll be back. I did my eyebrows. I did it with the Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade in the shade Ebony. A little brush. I just got a little brush and did them. Okay. So for blush, I'm going to use my favorite palette from BH Cosmetics. It has every single color that you need. So I'm going to use this one right here. I'm going to pat it on. Now I'm just going to get a little bit of the Hoola bronzer, and I'm just going to put a little bit on my cheeks and around my temples. Down here, my jawline. Okay, and for glow, I'm going to use the Wet n Wild MEGAGLOW Highlighting Powder. And this is in the shade Precious Petals. So I'm just going to get the Kat Von D Shade and Light palette, and I'm just going to take the little middle shade here. It's just another bronzing shade. I'm going to put that on the bottom here. I take the darkest shade in the palette, and I'm just going to do a little bit of eyeliner. What I like about powder eyeliners is that you could just blend it until it looks like how you want it. I'm going to use the Tarte Lights Lashes Camera. I don't know if that's what it's called, but I love this mascara so much. I'm going to use the Makeup Forever Aqua Lip Liner in 2C. I've had this thing forever. And now I'm just going to add a little bit of lip gloss, the Tarte H2O Gloss. And this is in the shade Blitzen. I'm going to do my hair and I'll be right back. And that completes this look. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one.